This is a very small, PDC, yet a very important and impactful one. As you'll have seen, the topic is company first mindset. Okay, so let's get on with it. So, what is company first mindset? Okay, so basically, it is an approach to work in an organization wherein employees prioritize the overall goal, success, and well-being of the company above their individual interests or departmental objectives. This mindset encourages individuals to think and act in a way that the entire organization rather than focusing solely on personal gains or team achievement. So basically, what I'm trying to explain over here is we shouldn't think in terms of our pod or our department or us individual growth or anything of that sort. It doesn't mean that we shouldn't think at all, but we should have a combination of the same with the company's goal and vision. Okay, so these are some of the pillars of company first mindset: collective vision, uniting behind shared organization goals, collaborative spirit, breaking down walls and promoting teamwork, accountability, taking responsibility for company outcome, adaptability, embracing challenges for the benefit of the organization, long-term perspective, making decisions with focus with future success in mind. These are some of the benefits of having this sort of a mindset in an organization. Improves collaboration, okay, and that is not only resorted to the company, but overall also, in personal life, it becomes easy for an individual to be a team player if we have this mindset. Increase productivity. Now, since everyone is thinking in direction of the organization or the team goals, it will surely increase the productivity and hence decision making faster. It is in correlation to the second point. If everyone thinking the same direction, we'll be able to reach out to a conclusion even faster. Boost innovation. So suppose we have a goal in mind and certain individual give certain suggestions. Since the rest of the team also is in sync and is rowing in the same direction, surely improvisation on the same ideas that are been given can takes place. Pride in collective success, seeing happy customers and knowing that your work directly contributed to build a sense, and this builds a sense of purpose, and people take pride in the same. So like with this, like you can see whenever you all deliver a project and client feedbacks, that makes you happy, right? When you're recognized by client, individually we do R&R, on the pod level or company level, but when a client specifically, points out that, so and so person has done a good job, I would really like be good pleasure to work with, so and so person. It gives you a pride of satisfaction kind of thing. Next, opportunity to shine and lead innovation. Employee with company first mindset most likely to pitch ideas that align with the company goals and giving them a platform to showcase creativity and leadership. So in case like when you have this mindset and you're aligned to the company goals, you will obviously give suggestions to the team members, pull the team members as well, and this showcases your creativity and leadership. Some characteristics of company first mindset: team orientation, prioritize collective achievement over personal, proactive problem solvers, addressing issue before they escalate. Having a sense of keeping a track of what's going on, and if and when anyone encounters that we are going off board, that needs to be flagged. Continuous learning, seeking opportunities to grow aligned with company needs. Ambassadors, represent your company values in all interactions. Resilience, maintain positivity and productivity during challenges. Okay, these are some challenges that we need to overcome when we're having the shift towards this mindset, like some are myths and the actual reality. One myth is my contribution won't be recognized. Company success will eventually lead to individual growth opportunities. Some might also think that company first is a code for do more work and sacrifice work-life balance. But the reality is it's about alignment and not exploitation, balancing personal growth with company success. Okay. So balancing personal and organization goal, implementing career development plan aligned with company needs. Like for example, a software developer wants to learn a new language to enhance her skills. Instead of pursuing any language of her interest, she researches the company's future technology roadmap and discovers that the company's plan to adopt a specific technology for the upcoming project and goes in that direction. Okay, so whenever we have a sense of shifting our minds to company first mindset, like there will be always times wherein we will have to motivate ourselves. Okay, so here are some points for that, like understanding and connecting with the company's mission, celebrating team success, seeking growth opportunities within the organization, building strong workplace relationship, practicing self-care and avoiding burnout, set personal milestones that support company goals, seek regular feedback and recognition, stay informed about company and industry development, and find meaning in your. Okay, these are some case studies. I'll not focus on Google's Project Aristotle and in Microsoft how Satya changed the work nature. You can Google about it. I'll speak about two of our internal projects: portable restroom trailers, PRT, as you all must have known. Okay, so we have been associated with this company and the project for quite some time, and for majority of the time there has been web development. So the company decided they wanted to launch an app, and we had to start it from scratch. At that point, there was a separate app team, and the sync between the app and the web was not that great. And this led to the client, having a lot of issues, a lot of bugs being reported and stuff like that. So a decision was taken to combine that team so that the app and the web developer works in sync. As a result of this, we were able to slowly reduce the number of issues and bugs, and ultimately we were able to win the client's trust back. So this was a major achievement as a result of company first mindset. Same way, Macy project. Okay, this project has been worked on by algorithm team, and this is a project by one of our old clients, Albino. So he also has two dedicated resources from Avengers team working, on similar project. So as Macy project was given to algorithm, client was dissatisfied because he compared the working style of Avengers. Okay, and this led to shift in liking toward how delivery was done and stuff like that. So we had to retune ourselves to the way Avengers team members, the two team members, how they're working, and implement that same on the Macy project. And after that, client started getting satisfied in the work delivery. So these are two case studies from our company. Okay, so this is a very important part of company first mindset with examples. Just think of a sports team, maybe a football team. Each player has their role, but the ultimate goal is to win the match. Okay, players might sacrifice personal glory for an assist that would lead to team goal. Similarly, an orchestra, each musician plays their part in harmony with others. The focus is to create beautiful music together rather than individual. Beehives, okay, bees work tirelessly for their hive success. Each bee has a specific job, and they all contribute to the hive's health and productivity. Another example is family dinner. Imagine preparing a family meal wherein everyone pitches in. One cooks, one sets the table, someone does the cleaning. At the end, the entire family enjoys the dinner. Ant colony. Ants work together seamlessly. Each ant has its role, whether it's foraging or defending the colony. Their collective efforts ensure survival and success. Okay, construction crew. On the construction side, every worker from architects to laborers contribute to building something bigger than themselves, focusing on completing the project efficiently and with safety. Similar school play, actors, directors, stagehand all contribute to put a great performance. Everyone's contribution is crucial for the show's success. Okay, again, a busy kitchen, chefs and the staff coordinate like clockwork to prioritize delivery of quality dishes over individual tasks. Migration, birds fly in a formation during migration to conserve energy and navigate better as a group rather than individuals. So these are some of the examples to make you all understand better from different perspectives what company first mindset is. Okay, so in conclusion, as we explore today, the company first mindset is not about sacrificing individual needs, but rather aligning our personal goals with organization's mission. By embracing this approach, we create a powerful synergy that drives both personal and organizational success. We see how this mindset fosters innovation, enhances teamwork, and builds resilience in the face of challenges. It's about seeing a bigger picture and understanding how individual contribution fits into company's objective. Adopting this mindset may not always be easy. It requires shift in perspective and sometimes personal sacrifice. However, long-term benefits for ourselves, our colleagues, and the company are substantial. As we move forward, I encourage everyone to reflect on how you can incorporate this mindset in your daily work. Ask yourself, how can my actions today contribute to a collective success. Remember, when company thrives, we thrive. By working together, we share vision and purpose. We are not just building a successful company, but creating a legacy that we are proud of. Okay, so the closing statement would be from a philosopher from ancient Greece, Aristotle. The whole is greater than the sum of pillars.